Hello everyone, welcome back to Trueface Theorem Study YouTube channel. We are in day 73 of the next course, and today they have talked about sets, tuples, and functions. Now I am going to say about the things that I have learned and they taught about past simple tense, and this is a video based on day 14 of the Tartarus presentation skills and man and wages chain root has been taught. Problem solving, set operations, union intersection, that cool stuff. Set is a thing basically to store unique values in a set outer set. Let me show you that thing. Here class symbol. To diameter line, first sentence I, B, U, E, and they must have used to web from he, they used to it. Some they went to drive to the we used to drive to the mountain. They used to go to the campaign on Sunday. Some riders that didn't used to. They did not used to go to the camping on Sundays. Walk my dog park every morning. I did not used to walk with my dog in the park evening, and the sort of things they are brilliant. And this assessment has been written score 9. That's correct. And next videos I will write this coding practice and MCQs. You can see man child rule, man work, man did as H hours, E is efficiency, W units of work. Here is an example for wages also. Here is an example. That's it. Thank you for watching this video till the end. Please like, share and subscribe my channel with your friends. I want to reach 100 subscribers in 10 days. At present I have 65 subscribers and the 35 new members has to please subscribe. Please make sure to raise my goal of hitting the subscribers. Thank you for watching.